Hi guys and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Here I have a Nokia XpressMusic, the 5610 I believe, I forgot, sorry about that. 5610 XpressMusic. As you can see, the shape of this phone, it's rectangular, but it's also in very bad condition. However, it works. Let's see its life timer. 115 talk hours, not bad. I'm also risking a bit because, well, I don't have a display or another phone like this to take parts from, but I will figure out what kind of a display it is and look for it afterwards. But until then, let's tear it apart. I don't even have the bottom buttons, I think. I do have to look for some parts though, but first let me just tear it down to make sure that I don't need anything else. Also, the speaker, it's also in bad condition, so there's that problem again. But if I don't want to actually snap it, so I'll use the plastic opener. There we go. Here we have the cable. This is one of the clamps. This is the other one. I haven't tested the camera like the genius that I am, but it should work. Okay, this is the main board's condition. Yeah, this is kind of the only thing that I have to take from it. I'm not even gonna take the charging port, but yeah, I'm not gonna take it. There's no need for that. I need to do something about this speaker though, because it's damaged. Doesn't sound right. No wonder it doesn't sound right. It has metal particles in it. That's its frame. Enough. Clean. I mean, you know, completely remove this thing. Put the trash with it. Now this big bad boy. Oh, also I can also take this out. This colored frame. I said colored because it also comes in red. These are the buttons, which I do hope not to keep, but I'll see if I have a spare one. If not, then yeah. They're scratched, but I also think I saw something that I don't like on it, but we'll see. And these are the buttons, which work. And this is the slide. Yep. Not so scratched. Usually these are very scratched. Wait, don't tell me it has screws. Yep, it has screws here. Forgot about this. Well, it's been a while since I refurbished one of these. Now it comes off nicely. Not that bad, but not keeping, actually. Seriously, bro. This is the display with problems. I believe it's the same display as the 5500S, 56, 55 or 56. I'm confusing them. I'm sorry, but yeah, it is what it is. There's a new body shell has that. This is an original one. It should have it, but yes, it has it. Okay, no need for me to try and save it. Do I also have the no, I don't have the speaker. Dang it. Yeah. And the slider button is acceptable since they're very hard to find. Yeah, I'll just keep that. Other than that, nothing else for me to keep. Well, except for the flex cable and the slide mechanism. And this is the flex cable. I don't know if this thing was opened before. Meh. Okay, the slide mechanism looks good. It goes a bit on the left. It's typical on slide mechanisms to tilt left or right, depending on how they are made. Right, I'll go find some parts before I start cleaning them and be right back. So I am back, and you can see some things are a bit different here. Well, that's because I've looked for a display. This is the old one. This is the, well, not new, used one, but in good condition. At least that's what I think, and I hope it's true. I did find this, not this one, this slide mechanism because, wait, what? This one then? I'm confused. Oh, bruh, where's the, what the f, I think I put the wrong slide back. 1 second. Oh, here it is. Look at this one. Yeah, this is the one. It's used, but I cleaned it. I don't know where I got this from. And I also have one that's new. Well, almost new, but I cleaned it. So, I do have to check the display to see if it works, so that I don't work for nothing, basically. Oh, nice. Battery low. Wow, the first thing that it showed me is battery low. Okay then. It looks good though, so yeah. Well then I have to clean this bad boy and then get to assembling it. I think I'm gonna keep this phone for a giveaway from if I ever reach 100,000 subscribers. I mean, I am planning to do that. I am planning to do that since I haven't forgotten this promise. I know that I made a promise that after I reach 100,000 subscribers, I will do some giveaways. Oh, here's another problem. Freaking great. I just saw this. I have to also make some soldering. Great, just great. The volume down button, it snapped. I'll finish cleaning it and do the soldering later. Also, I found some speakers. In case you're wondering why the scenery changed, is because, well, what you're seeing now is basically a month later for me, because, well, this is the phone that I started. I could not fix that. So I have another one for parts, that you're gonna say that it looks so good, why do you want to tear that down? Well, because I want to, okay? I stayed enough depressed, because I could not save that one. This one works, still needs a new body shell, so I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna take the body shell from this one, shove the main board in the other body shell, and be done with it. This is to be kept as it is, because it's good. Okay. Clean this out of here. This is the main board. Let's clean it, and it's clean. Now, time to assemble the phone. I'm gonna put this aside here. What's next? What's next? We have this camera, one of these speakers, the body shell. Oh, here is the display flex cable assembly. Yes, man, I hope I still do it right. I mean, I should do it right. I mean, I'm the best. Nah, just kidding. We have some screws here. We have some other screws here. I don't remember where they go. Ah, I think I know. I don't remember why I have two displays. Oh, yeah, they're both dirty now with dust. Is everything all right in here? Yes, it is. Good. Goes in like this, in this position. It just slides in here like so. Think you can. And it clicked in place. This other thing slides like this. Just push it down. And this is how it's supposed to look. Sorry, I'm still a little sick, still recovering. And my voice is even weirder than before. Yeah. Now to put this part so it will hold in place. Clicked as well. All right. All right. Clicked in place. And the buttons are pressing nicely. Well job, me. Now, slide this part in, click it in place. Oh, nice. I have no idea how happy I am to finally put this phone back together. Clicked in place, good. I'll leave this aside for now. Concentrate on this. Let's put a loudspeaker. Looks cleaner. Shove it in here. That should be it. And I hope it works because I don't want to take it apart again. Alright. I don't know why I have a second display. Maybe it's for spare and I hope this one works fine. I don't want to take it apart again. Why don't I remember what I did? Stupid me. Come on, click in place. There we go. Just click in place, right? It clicked. Oh, okay, it has to slide in. There. Slides from the bottom to the top. I could have put this first, but nah. Well, time to test it. I'm not curious if it has a network restriction. I'm not interested in using it like that. I'm gonna put this over the Chrome. And this is how it looks, complete, dead. Rewind. Stupid display, why did I have to keep this stupid freaking all this work for nothing. Yeah. Better be no dust particles. Good. I'm on the edge now. I forgot who I am. Why did I kept that old display, that damaged one? Why would I do that? Why would I be this stupid? Why? Anyway, rewind. Well, finally. There we go. Okay. "16 talk towers. This is not bad. This is gold. Yes, the camera works. Oh, it's on record. Stop it. Oh. Let's go to photo. Right, so everything is in working order. Nothing else to do to it. Except maybe turn it off. And I think I'm gonna take this protective screen over the camera and just leave this one over this back cover because it's pressing on the back cover and it mutilates it. Alright, and that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.